So definitely try potato juice if you have acne scars and you want them to fade. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Letitia. So today I am going to talk about the benefits of potato juice for your skin. As you can see on my channel, I have tried a lot of things such as apple cider vinegar, flaxseed gel, tomato, aloe vera and turmeric on my skin, just to show you how these natural ingredients can tremendously help reduce your skin blemishes. To begin this video, I am going to talk about the benefits of potato juice for your skin, and after I am going to show you the before and after pictures of how these 3 days challenge has helped me achieve an even skin tone. Of course, my skin is not perfect and I still have a lot of things to do to fade my acne scars and some other pimples that I still have on my skin. The first benefit of potato juice is that it contains polyphenols. These are going to heal sun damage on your skin and quickly promote an even skin tone. The second benefit of potato is that it contains zinc. Zinc is an essential nutrient that is going to promote scar healing. The third benefit of potato is that it contains iron. Iron is going to help you achieve a glowy complexion. So if you have an even skin tone all over your skin, sometimes some parts of your face can be darker than other parts, and potato juice can help you fix that. In addition of all these benefits that I already mentioned, potato contains azelaic acid, which brightens the skin tone. So if you are looking for more glow, definitely try potato juice on your skin for a couple of weeks. Now I am going to show you how to make your potato juice. Basically, you need to clean the potato first, of course, and you have to grate it. You can leave the potato pulp and the potato juice together, or you can strain the potato juice from the pulp if you want a more liquid mixture. You can also cut the potato into pieces and just mix it in a juicer or a mixer. This is even better since it will give you a smooth mixture. As you can see, my potato mixture is turning brown. This is a normal process due to the contact with the air. Now I am going to show you the before and after pictures of my potato challenge. This is the first day of the challenge, and as you can see, I have some dark spots on my right cheek. My goal is just to have them fade a little bit by the time I finish this challenge. I also have some red pimples on my face. You really have to make sure that you take time to apply the potato juice on your face and make sure that you massage your face so the juice can penetrate your skin. This is the second day of the challenge. My skin didn't change that much, but it is so smooth and less oily. As you can see, my potato juice is even darker than it was yesterday. When I searched this phenomena on the internet, it says that it is normal. However, I'm not sure if this is safe to use on the skin, but when I used this dark juice on my skin, I didn't have any reaction. However, if you have a sensitive skin, you can also store the juice in ice cubes and use the ice cubes on your face every morning or night when you do this challenge, so you can make sure that the potato juice preserves its freshness. You can also use cotton pads to apply the juice on your skin. However, I don't recommend this method since I noticed that the juice was mostly getting soaked into the pads and it was not getting on my skin. Therefore, I recommend you to use your fingers. This is the third day of the challenge, and the only thing I can say is that my skin is glowy. I feel like it is a little bit brighter than it was on day 1. I will put some pictures so you guys can judge by yourselves. I personally see some minor changes in terms of the small pimples and dark spots that I had on this side of my face. If you compare these two pictures, you can see that on day 3, some of my dark spots are less visible. If you take time to see my forehead, you can also see that it is a little bit brighter, and the first day it was darker. My chin area also seems to be brightening up. Overall, I give this challenge a 6.5 out of 10 because it works. As I said before, for any kind of challenge, if you really want to see change, I really recommend to always try things on your skin for 3 or 4 weeks. This really gives time to your skin to be used to the products you are using on your skin, and this will help you see greater changes. I stopped the challenge because first I was really busy with work, and also I was a little bit lazy, and after seeing the improvement of my skin, I just stopped the challenge. I was like, okay, this works and people are going to see this by themselves.